Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to continue on with the custom catch can. Stay tuned. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. We're going to continue on with the template. A bit of box construction for the catch can. We're going to find out the volume as well, using some maths. Woohoo! So, we're going to also find where we're going to mount it as well. So, I'm going to work out volume. I do want to get probably 2 litres worth, and we'll work out how we're going to mount it. I do want to mount it up against this, what do you call it, apron, I guess. So there somewhere, and obviously have it not resting on the scavenger pump that's down there. And then we can sort out where the AN lines will go in. I've got the fittings over here that I'm going to be using. So we've got these 3. So I've ordered 3 10AN orb fittings to weld onto the catch can. Alright, so that's the head breathers and that's the crank breather. So that will go into the catch can, and then out we'll have the male 10AN fittings, so probably just a straight one. It'll go like onto here. I'll work out where I'm going to run the lines onto there, so nice and high. Bring it across, and that will go into the intake that I need to make still. Yeah, so these are to go onto the breathers here, and here. So that'll be a nice short one. Go from there. Maybe, be good to have one. Maybe I should have it on top for the breather. Maybe I'll make this one the vacuum, so over into the intake. Put it on top, and underneath it I'll have that one. That can go on, and that'll go across. And I'm getting dizzy. So I can run those two together somewhere across, because they do end up pretty much in the same location. And then I'll have 2, one that'll go there and then one that'll go around down to there. Alrighty guys, I just used a calculator on the phone to calculate the volume of this box, and it's 3.3 litres. So it's pretty big. So I can afford to make it a bit smaller. Apparently we're aiming for around 2 litres, so that could work. It could make it a lot easier to fit in there and to mount stuff onto, so it's good to know. So I've just put in 20 by 20 and 7 centimeter height, so the same height, and we're down to 2.8 litres. Yeah, so that's 20 by 20 by 7. That's still quite a bit. Just work out 18 by 20 by 7 is 2.5 litres. So I'm going to chop it down and I'll show you something else. Alright, 18 by 20 by 7 fits in like that. And I'll show you how I'd have the fittings. Alright, so to the intake, nice and high. That one there. Straight over to the right hand side head. One here, we'll go straight down to that head. One here, that'll go over to the block breather. Can still access everything behind here. The only thing is, how am I going to mount it? Like that. Or you go this way. It's 2.5 litres, that's quite a bit, and I'm not going to leave it. It's full of oil. So I could just have a couple of tabs off here. And maybe a tab coming down onto the scavenger pump mount. So that'll set the height. And then I'd have this one on top. Great. This one on top, so that would be the intake for the highest point. Have the straight one. Actually, probably try to set this down a bit lower. So there. So it'll go like that. It's already there. It'll go onto that. It'll go across the other side. Then we'd have another one there. We'll face him down, that'll go over to there. And another one. I could put one on this side. We'll put it here. That'll go over to the block. Probably have to have them on this back corner just for bonnet clearance. Back corner. Have the straight one there. That one there. Maybe have the straight one and this one next to each other, because then that there is head breathers, different colour. I think I used the black one on the cooler that's below me, but being different, I know it's the intake, then that can be for the block. I think that would work quite well. Alrighty guys, just been playing around with the mounts. So something like this. These tabs here, and I've got one down the bottom here, so it's not actually sitting just right, but it should be pushed back a little bit more. So either drill a hole, nut and bolt, or put a riv nut in there, and yeah, that way. Got little gussets on these ones, and I'll definitely have it on that one. So I'll have a little there. What do you guys think? So I put the cardboard on top of the scavenger pump, so obviously that won't be there. So when we mount it, it's going to be 3 or 4 mil above it, not touching it. Yeah, what do you guys think? Comment down below, guys. I was hoping to do some lines, but I don't know yet. I think this so close. It all depends on where I run it. So I don't know if I should get the AN line to go straight onto it. I've got these 90s. I should probably get them to go straight on, shouldn't I? But then there's yeah, it'll look like that. Yeah, guess I could do that. I haven't got any more lengths, like longer than that, but I do have more braided, just shorter lengths. So I could definitely do this side here. If I run it this way and just onto this fitting, that will fit. So we can do that one too. Have to cable tie it out the way. Here we go, guys. Alright, so we've got the straight one here going across. We'll have a 90° right next to it, going down to there. Cool. So it's kind of hidden, but not. Red one, and it'll go with this bad boy over here to the intake, and this one will go around to there. Maybe I could cable tie that one too. Alright boys, what do you think? So we've got these ones up back here. So we've got hood clearance. Then we've got the head ones down here. Yeah, we have plenty of room down the bottom. So I'm sure it will be fine. And I guess I'd put a baffle in it. To research how to do the baffle properly. Pretty much I think it's just so you can't slosh if there is anything in there and get up into this one. So probably just need to put something a little bit below that one, like a V or something. Yeah, sweet. I'm pretty happy with that. And these mounts here, we'll work them out. Pretty happy with that. So it will sit a few millimeters above that scavenger pump. Make it look a bit neater. It'll take your eye off the junk that's around it. And then we'll move on to the airbox. That's going to be fun. Alrighty guys, I'm going to finish this episode here. It's getting late. It's raining. So if you enjoyed this episode,
That was a short one. Really only did one thing. Just mock up a template for my catch can, which is about 2.5 litres.
if you like this episode, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you next episode. Bye.